Hi guys, so to start off, I hope you guys have your old t-shirts, a pair of scissors, a 12-inch steel ruler, a pencil, your thread and needle. Remove the sleeves on the neck. Just lay it down flat on your workstation and fold it over. Make sure that you leave like a 1-inch strip on the top. Next, we're going to cut nice 1-inch bands. Make sure to not cut all the way to the top. Once you're done cutting, it's going to look somewhat like this. I'm just going to put my hand through the two layers. We're going to cut diagonally, okay? Previous loop diagonally. And the last one. Just going to cut it diagonally. Now what you have is a nice t-shirt yarn. So just stretch it, start rolling it up. Once you repeat the step for all 3 colored t-shirts, you'll have 3 rolls of yarn ready, like right here. I'm going to tie it over here on this tree. And now we're going to do a very simple tight braid. So you take the red yarn, okay, and you move it over the white. Take the grey and move it over the red. Point and cut off the initial knot. I'll take the starting point, place it on my table, and you have to start coiling it. And then I'll continue to coil it. As I coil it, I make another loop. Don't worry about being super neat with the stitching because it's going to go on the underside of your coaster. And before you know it, your coaster will be ready. There's just this one little guy hanging out at the end. Just tie a tight knot on this end. Cut off this last big knot that you had made before. Flip it over and there you go, your coaster is ready to use. Thank you so much for joining us for today's workshop. We hope you guys enjoyed it.